Oh man. Oh wow. It's that double hitter here. How to go line and rainbow. Get a close up with this little guy.
Oh, very nice. Missouri River?
Oh, nice.
Not on the reel.
Oh. Oh, nice catch.
Thank you. It's gonna start fighting really freaking hard.
Money.
Oh!
I'm gonna back down.
Wow, look at that fat.
You hooked it on the back? Oh, maybe. I don't think you did. I think you had it. Wow. Oh. Look at that. it's nice.